Alright, good. It's now, hold on. It's now 6:27 people, so it's technically night. So I finally get to start up my vlog. The reason why I actually put it on pause, 2019 was a serious obstacle. A lot of ups and downs, a lot of things happened. I had to deal with I had to deal with family, death in the family. I had some financial issues to deal with, illness, a lot of stuff. So I had to take a break from the vlogging and stuff like that. And yeah, I actually did. I had an assistant to actually assist me on most of the shoots. So most of the content from my vlog wasn't there. But this time I am here to make things work. Um, for 2020, yeah, my hair is a little bad. The last time you guys saw me, I had locks. Then you guys saw when it was trimmed. I didn't tell you why I trimmed. Well, maybe in the next few vlogs down the line, I will tell you guys, but not right now. But this 2020, the vlog should be bigger, better. Everything should be better. Cause judging from the main camera right there that is shooting to my phone that I'm using for the main vlog, and that's it. We have done a lot of projects though from the last time you guys we actually did a vlog, so I'm going to show you a few of the projects right now. After 3 hours, almost 3 hours, what I driving, you told the journey feel like a 3 hour. But yeah, what the water there? Yeah, people that place just to drive like one massive drop. I'm so sure no one still.
No install the water.
I need an upgrade. Over there, I go and do it. Gimbal there, camera in my bags, and I see the setup later. So come. Cave-like place right now. You see? Icon. They are moved through. Slowly but surely we must reach. But I cleared it. Alright, so they are trying to catch up with everybody. Is everybody in front of me, way ahead of me. Clean. Man, some know my unfit. People. Yeah. Hold on. How we? Sorry? How we? Don't listen to me. I go. Hold on. Yes. Alright. That was a journey. Alright, let me first feel good half an hour. Tired. Where the blood?
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Jaja, next set. People, this serious. Yes, I'm still a chat down stairs, people. Sorry, I'm only catch the power button. Amen. Yeah, and it cancelled the recording. So there, I run down a bunch of stairs and a bag of stairs. So we almost reach. Like everybody there, we link on the back. Alright, so right now I'm sitting on a rock. The camera. I'm just actually looking what's going on. Try to pick some locations. So this is the river and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to pause this video and flip the camera around and point on spots that we chose. Alright? I used to shoot here. Have the model stand right there and pose there and get a shot from like down there up towards her to get that rock in the background. That's one shot. Next shot will be right here, where she stands close to that little greenish area right there. Yeah. And then we stand like over here to get that mid depth shot of the rock. we're doing one up at the waterfall. There's a lot of people up there, so I'm not going up there as yet. But yeah, and we have some other places down there that we're going to check out, but we haven't reached there yet. So today's going to be a very long day, but it's going to work. It's going to work, guys. I think it's going to. I know it's going to work. It should work.
Before the sun goes down, nowhere we going stop now.
I'm out to be thrown with my worries away before the sun goes down.
Can't wait to wear the wrong in the air. Don't think I'm crazy, I don't care.
Before the sun goes down. Before the sun goes. Before the sun goes. Before the sun goes. Look, my energy can never bother. Wake in the morning and I say to Jaja, and I pray to the Father. Me rise every day, and I put it on the carnival road. Hey, this life, yeah, love, this life on the carnival road. Yeah, plenty man, carnival road. On the carnival road. Yeah, carnival road. Like water, clean like soap. Me and my friend a reason dry throat. Pop the buckle, we speak it like joke. No smoke weed, we blend up with coke. Back a girl a text me, leave a voice note. Me control them like a remote.
That's what I've been doing over the time that you guys weren't hearing from me. But I'll try my best to be as consistent as possible. So just like, share, and subscribe. Also leave a comment. But I'll try my best to be consistent. I'll try to release 2 vlogs every week. Try my best to do that. At least that. And by the time you guys see this vlog, I might be in Colombia already. So Big up to all Colombian people out there, but I'm gonna do a vlog when I'm actually in Colombia, so that will be the second vlog for this week. But guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Prince out.